Hosta Remember Me, a gardener's guide. I'm Ferb Vu, and I've been obsessed with hostas for years. Their vibrant foliage and versatility in the shade garden make them a must-have for any plant enthusiast. Today, we'll delve into the captivating Hosta Remember Me, a stunning variety that lives up to its name. What is Hosta Remember Me? Hosta Remember Me is a captivating selection known for its variegated foliage. It's a sport, which means a spontaneous mutation of the popular Hosta June. This slow-growing perennial forms a compact clump, boasting eye-catching leaves with a creamy yellow center bordered by a cool blue-green margin. See more 31 species in genus Hosta at monsteraholic.com. How big does Hosta Remember Me get? Remember Me is a miniature marvel, reaching a mature height of just 10 to 12 inches. Its spread is equally modest, topping out at 14 to 16 inches. This makes it ideal for edging walkways, accenting container gardens, or adding pops of color in tight spaces. Sun or shade for Hosta Remember Me. As with most hostas, Remember Me thrives in shade. Direct sun can scorch the delicate leaves, so consider planting it under the dappled shade of trees or near north-facing walls. Morning sun is generally tolerated, but aim for afternoon shade in hotter climates. How to care for Hosta Remember Me. Planting. Select a well-draining location with loose, fertile soil. Amend clay soil with compost or organic matter to improve drainage. Remember Me prefers slightly acidic soil, so a soil test might be helpful. Watering. Water regularly, especially during hot, dry periods. Aim to keep the soil consistently moist, but not soggy. Mulching around the base of the plant helps retain moisture and suppress weeds. Feeding. A balanced fertilizer applied in early spring can encourage healthy growth. However, Remember Me isn't a heavy feeder, so a light application is sufficient. Does Hosta Remember Me flower? Yes, Remember Me produces delicate pale lilac flowers in midsummer on slender scapes that rise above the foliage. While the flowers are attractive, some gardeners prefer to remove them before they set seed to maintain the plant's compact form and direct its energy towards foliage production. Is Hosta Remember Me deer-resistant? The good news is that hostas, in general, are relatively deer-resistant. The bitter taste of the leaves deters most deer from browsing. However, during harsh winters with limited food sources, deer might become more adventurous. Planting Remember Me in a group with other deer-resistant plants can offer additional protection. Common Hosta Remember Me problems. Slugs and snails are the biggest threats to hostas, including Remember Me. These slimy creatures munch on the leaves, leaving unsightly holes. Hand-picking them off in the early morning or evening is an effective control method. Diatomaceous earth or organic slug bait can also be used. Another potential issue is fungal diseases like leaf spot, which can cause brown or yellow spots on the foliage. Improve air circulation around the plants by thinning overcrowded areas and remove infected leaves promptly. Watering at the base of the plant instead of overhead can also help prevent fungal problems. How does Hosta Remember Me compare to other hostas? Here's a quick comparison of Remember Me with two other popular Hosta varieties. Hosta June. Remember Me's parent, June, boasts larger stature, reaching 18 to 24 inches tall. Its leaves are also more uniformly green with a subtle yellow margin. Hosta Blue Mouse. Another miniature Hosta, Blue Mouse, features heart-shaped, blue-green leaves with a prominent white central variegation. It's slightly smaller than Remember Me, reaching only 8 to 10 inches in height. The final word on Hosta Remember Me. Hosta Remember Me is a captivating addition to any shade garden. Its compact size, striking variegated foliage, and low maintenance requirements make it a winner for gardeners of all levels. With proper care, this little charmer will grace your garden for years to come, leaving a lasting impression that lives up to its name.